This is San Felipe, the fort, built by the Spanish to protect the city. They sure knew how to build them in those days. Gee, well, it's $25,000 to get in. There's really not much to see inside, but I came all the way to Cartagena, so I'm gonna see it. Originally, the hill was called San Lazaro Hill because there was a leprosy hospital here. As you can see, you have to be able to walk up it.
My good friend.
Hola.
Working here.
Hola.
Hi, hello. Do you speak English?
Yeah, I speak only English, unfortunately.
Okay.
That's it.
Thank you for coming. My name is Jose.
The fortress once sheltered the city from pirates and storms.
Everybody Spaniard is tall.
Right.
They come in too fast, they broke in the head.
Uh-huh. Into the tunnel.
To escape, right? Because Indian people, French people, they have like a big, right?
Like the boots?
Like the boots, yeah.
Way up there is La Popa, the mountain with a convent on top. This is a huge fort. Just looking from the outside, you can't even tell. There are approximately 200 soldiers in the fort.